Hey guys, it's Maggie
and Grace,
and we are PMG
Cool Kids.
So, you may have seen our last videos.
So this one we're doing how many fidgets
we
can we find in 20 seconds? Sorry. Okay, let's start the time.
3, 2, 1, go!
Where's your trash can? Oh, where are they? We keep missing them, Maggie. Maggie, you know where everything is. It's not fair.
I think we found them all.
Fidget.
Okay, guys.
She knows where everything is because she hid them.
Yeah, but I tried
She
to.
kind of cheated.
But, oh, I didn't. Well, you have still a lot because I had to get it. And it was hard because I keep tripping over.
You technically got 4 like me because that isn't a fidget.
Yeah. So, it was tie.
Drop the donut. It's not a fidget. Don't pick this one. It was a tie. Sad. We can try again.
So we're gonna go. Wait! Stop it! It wasn't there. So we both got one more because forgot.
Yep. Alright, 20 seconds is up.
Yeah. Beep, 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 beep.
So, technically we had a tie.
Yeah.
So, sad, but the winner will get to keep one of her sister's fidgets. Like forever.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video,
Wait. Do you guys want us to do another video like this? We could do the escape room sometime. Comment down below what our next video should be about.
or any other video, or dun dun dun.
I hope you liked our video. Thanks
for watching.
Peace out.
Bye.